And welcome back. Let's kick things off with football, shall we? One of Jamaica's iconic coaching figures, Brazilian Clovis de Oliveira, has hailed the efforts of Jamaica's 1998 World Cup hero Theodore Whitmore for transforming the national team. However, he says he is disappointed with the country's progress and was almost brought to tears when one of the country's most talented young players missed the opportunity to move from Jamaica to play club football in Brazil recently. More in this report.
Having led Jamaica to the Under-17 World Cup in 2001, former technical director Clovis de Oliveira, who still follows Jamaica's football keenly, says 19 years on, not much has changed structurally to improve the sport on the island.
Individually, I can tell you that now, for the time being, since last year, Golden Cup, and this year, they have got more technically better players, the Theodore group, than what we had today. I applaud, and I give my regards and my congratulations regarding to the Theodore Whitmore job.
Despite those sentiments, De Oliveira, who worked as Rene Simoes' assistant coach, is proud of the work done by head coach Theodore Whitmore. De Oliveira hails him as one of the most intelligent players he knows and pointed out one marked difference in Tapa's team.
Set up, develop youth program, and the same time to climb, try to be much better program for the professional league in Jamaica. As far as I concerned, as far as I know, 20 years later, still they are the same.
But what has disappointed De Oliveira the most is not seeing highly rated Lamar Walker having the opportunity to take up an offer with his boyhood club Vasco da Gama in Brazil.
They love it, they like it, they wanted to make a contract with him, 1-2 years, but unfortunately that time I didn't know regarding to this administration and window and things like that, because he was amateur. We call here under 20 amateur. And that's the thing making me so sad, not upset, but made me so sad. He's very technical, and he did it very well in that time he was here.
De Oliveira, who was instrumental in getting Walker the trial in Brazil, was speaking on Hits 92 FM Sports Grill with Simon Crossgill. Renardo Brown for TVJ Sports.